Welcome back to the Gaming Dudes.
Gaming blobs.
We got the shoddy young Gotti. She's a fucking hottie. Let's get it. Yo.
yeah. Get the fuck up. Get the fuck up.
Bitch with a flashlight.
Bitch with flashlight.
We come in hard in the paint, motherfucker.
Okay. Now we go. Stab.
I would trust you with my life.
Handgun ammo?
Gun too, Moira.
Nice.
Nice.
You need a gun too?
Sorry, I don't do.
Yeah, why don't you hinder the
You don't do firearms! You don't do!
I'm sorry.
Shit, yeah, maybe.
Maybe we can find you something else.
So she doesn't do firearms.
Why don't you hand her the knife then?
Yeah,
You're on
no.
flashlight duty or something. It's fine.
Flashlight
Just be on
duty.
flashlight duty.
What the?
That is like the most dumb thing ever, because how else is she gonna defend herself?
I think there's something
Something there.
shiny there, but I can't make it out.
Topaz.
Let me hit it with the flashlight.
I'm gonna be using
Crowbar?
her.
There we go.
I can do.
I can do.
Oh shit! She can attack now!
Finally.
She's a badass now. She's fucking bitches up with a crowbar.
She can also deliver a follow-up to downed enemies with the same fucking button.
Okay.
Yeet!
Oh, fuck.
Trying to hit her. She's pretty good at dodging.
Hey.
More shit to get.
Handgun
Handgun
ammo?
ammo.
Well, I don't need that.
She doesn't need
I
that.
don't use a gun.
Maybe it just automatically gives it to the bitch who
I'm
knows.
thinking.
Oh, crowbar, you need that.
Oh, I do. Are you finally useful? Yay!
Whoa, she's strong as shit.
She's useful! Look at you, I'm so proud of you.
How does that shoddy stay on her back? Who knows?
Oh, that's a little girl. Nice.
Dude, always chase a little girl when there's a lot of blood.
Claire,
Especially when
you
there's
saw
love.
that, right? Yeah, I saw.
A little lammin', that's what I saw.
Yeah.
I can treat her like a woman.
I don't know what that means. I'm not gonna ask.
Hey! More
Shit
handgun
to get.
ammo.
I didn't think handgun ammo was that shiny.
Me neither.
Guess there's another thing to do.
Alright. Oh look, you're actually helping this time. Right.
Wow, it shuts that hard.
Alright.
Oh. It's daytime.
Okay, now it's a lot less scary. Look at that.
Now we can just live here. Eat a healthy supply of handgun ammo.
Yeah.
What? Who the fuck is quoting poetry?
Are you afraid? You can tell me. Talk to me.
What?
What are you talking about?
It's a little strange.
Yeah.
Bracelets change color in response to fear.
And who exactly are you?
So I'm spooked out. So it changes color.
Much suffering.
You got a really neat
Hey,
Fitbit.
I do. Got a map now.
Is she talking to us?
Why is this a puzzle piece? Oh, it's a puzzle.
Oh,
I
you need another gear.
Oh, fuck me. I'm pretty sure no one's just gonna give me a gear.
I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to work for this someday.
Do I have
What the
to use
fuck?
this bitch?
It's just skinny.
I will shine my light. Why? That's a gear. That's the gear.
Wow.
So we gotta be able to move this first.
Wait, is there
I shoot
or is
it?
there a vent? No. Huh.
Okay. Don't be fucking scared. It's
Like the
so.
other side.
So we're gonna go. I don't know. I can crouch this way.
There's another one.
Those are like.
Yeah, it's blades and
Traps.
shit.
It's gonna move back and forth when we turn on the gear. That's what's gonna happen.
Yeah.
All right. This is the only way I can go.
Hey,
Got the hurt.
that's pretty good.
That is a pretty good. Oh, let's go. What's this?
Now it's time to sit and read Huckleberry Finn.
Oh, that's too much N-words. More like Huckleberry races.
That looks fun.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah, but I
let's
don't
take
like
one
how it
home.
looks.
It's right under it. You see it?
Yeah, I see it.
There's something stuck in it.
Push the lever.
I'm scared.
It's not working.
Oh, it needs power. Of course
Wow.
it needs power.
The power must be off. Maybe
No.
there's a switch?
The power might be.
It needs power, but the power's not. Wait,
Alright.
parts. What's this? Upgrade.
Ooh.
Ooh! I
Oh,
got a damage level 1 thing.
you know how to deal with firearms.
There we go.
Add it, yeah.
Well, fuck yeah, anything for this? There we go, now my pistol does more damage.
Dues.
Gotta turn the power on, even though it seems like the power's on.
Yeah, there's a lot of lights on.
Yeah, a lot of them. But you know, it's not. That's that. I hear something. Oh, great. So, am I missing something?
There's something. Tourniquet.
I don't scream.
Bandage that stops bleeding can be used even. Alright.
Okay. Combine. Oh, no. I can't combine the herb with the
Moira,
current.
I'll give you a boost. See if you can climb up.
What the fuck?
Leon!
How? God damn it, Simon.
That's fine.
Ew. Yeet.
Who knows it's been on those shoes?
Man.
Oh wait, I have to be here, of course. Do I still have my crowbar? Yes.
Well, now you're all. Just open it, you Neanderthal.
Some boxes will be a lot more.
Awesome, good to know.
Nice.
What the fuck? Do you know what you're doing?
No, no.
It's right there.
Oh,
Never mind.
that's what I do. Okay.
You just hold it.
Gotta figure out where it goes.
That's so weird.
Oh, fuck. Hold on.
There it is. How do you find them?
Is it there? I don't understand.
That's so weird.
I didn't. You know what? Fuck it.
We're gonna do a whole episode of this. I think when you, like, see... There it was up top.
Fucking get out of here.
Like, when you hold it real long, it gets tiny. But when it's, like, it's lower. When the bar is lower. See, it's wider. It gets bright right there.
No, that was not a right place.
No?
So, huh.
Huh. Let me just check right there. This is fucking stupid.
So
Alright.
I got this! What the fuck is with this box? Didn't explain it very well. I mean, did I get it? I got it!
You did?
Oh yes!
I was just about to look how to unlock.
I got one hand. Does that mean I can hold more handgun ammo? That better be.
So, actually, it's kind of useful.
I guess.
I guess.
I'll just leave without it.
I can't do this alone.
Fuck.
She's a puss.
Yeah.
How can I unlock? There's something over there.
For real?
I need her to push it because I can't push it because I'm a bitch.
Claire, this way.
No!
Not this again, Claire. Alright, I think Jingling needs to go out. So, we'll end it right here.
Oh, for real?
Yep, this episode right here. And we'll
Catch
be
you
back.
next time on the Gaming Dudes.
Yeah, the gaming dudes.